Hello, today we will test the new application on Android OS for a monitoring panel in both with using Express E3. So we open our tablet, open the application GSM panel. So we see up to 100 zones, 20 zones per one page, and we have 5 pages. As you see, every page has 20 zones. So our work will start with assigning of the device to one of the zones. Let it be zone number 1. We put the password of administrator. So here we have all the settings. First one is zone name. So let it be like office. Press OK. Zone address. Zone address is for those who has an internet connection. So in couple with the Google Maps, it just can give you an exact map where the alarm was triggered. So we put down the address of our office. So press OK. We can also put down some zone notes if we have something to note. Below we have zone device settings, as we have Express E3, who is a little bit more complicated and in a setup procedure. We will set up Express E3. We choose the device type. So after finishing the settings, let's try to use Express E3 with our GSM panel or Android tablet. For this, we open zone number 1. Here we have a Google Maps location of the zone. Here we can see a photo when it will be done. Let's provocate the alarm. For this, we should arm the device. Done. So the remote controller will send the signal to the device directly. Now we will see that the zone number will change the color of identification from blue to green. And that will be that the zone is armed. Yes, we have the green light. Button 1 office armed by remote controller number 1. Let's wait a little bit. The detector will capture the motion, make a photo and send directly to addressed email. Well, in the meantime I can tell you that on the remote controller you have 3 buttons, A, B, F. A is for arming, B is for disarming, and F you will need this button in case of finishing the programming mode. So we have already done all the procedures, and now we will provocate the alarm. When the alarm will be provoked, you will see this identificator of zone number 1 changes from green to red, like this. Some vibration of a tablet and the sound signal from the tablet. Now, what should we do? We press B button to disarm the device. We press number 1 zone, we accept alarm, alarm was accepted, and let's see what's happening in this zone. As you see, there was an intruder. Well, that's how this GSM panel application works with an Android panel. So, as you see, it's quite simple in use and quite effective and mobile. After alarm was accepted, the identificator color changed from orange to blue. So the zone is now disarmed. Well, as you see, this process is very simple and clear, and it's absolutely free on Google Maps. Thank you.